Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue, and that issue is related to the addition which is related to the cash deposit during the year, especially in those cases where the assessee explains the source of cash out of the opening balance of the cash available with the assessee as per the balance sheet of the assessee which has been duly submitted with the income tax department. So the prime question in the present case was that if the assessee explains the cash deposit out of the opening cash balance, so whether in that case the addition under section 69A of that cash deposit is justified. This issue has been taken up by Jodhpur ITAT in the case of Naveen Bholia versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 115 ITR Tribunal at page number 82, and the date of the judgment is 7th March 2024. The present case relates to the assessment year 2010-11. In the present case, the Central Board of Investigation has made a search on the assessee, and in that search, some cash was found. This information was shared with the Income Tax Department, and accordingly, the Income Tax Department started proceedings under section 147 read with section 148 to explain the cash deposit by the assessee during the year. The assessee explained that the assessee has deposited this cash out of the opening cash balance as per the balance sheet of the assessee, which has been duly filed for last 3 years along with the income tax return. But the assessing officer made the addition under section 69A, and more interestingly, when this addition was made in the whole assessment proceedings, the learned assessing officer was making allegation on the assessee that the assessee has not filed its income tax return and balance sheet for the previous years. So it means that the assessment was made on incorrect facts. When this matter was carried to the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal also concurred with the view of the learned assessing officer. So when this matter was before the tribunal said that in the present case, the assessee has filed income tax return, balance sheet, profit and loss account for the 3 years, and in spite of this, the assessing officer has made the allegation that the assessee has not filed his income tax return and balance sheet. The tribunal said that in the present case, since the balance sheet has been filed with the income tax department, so whatever the closing cash balance was available with the assessee at the previous year, that closing cash balance will become the opening cash balance of the assessee. The tribunal said that opening balance of cash in the hands of the year, in the beginning of the year, in such a situation stood established because the assessee has filed the balance sheet with the income tax department. The tribunal said that once balance sheet and profit and loss account is accepted, then the cash balance of the assessee is also to be accepted. The tribunal said that AO did not appreciate the opening cash balance of the assessee, and when each and every entry of the previous and current year balance sheet is accepted, then there is no reason why to disbelieve the cash amount appearing into that balance sheet. The tribunal said that the opening cash in hand ought to be accepted as available with the assessee in the present case, and addition of opening cash balance is not permissible at all. The tribunal further said that section 68 and 69A talks about the addition of those amounts which are found credited during the year, and since in the present case the balance was carried forward and found on the first day, cannot be added to the income of the assessee under section 69A. So friends, this case is very important because if the assessee explains that he has deposited the cash out of the opening cash balance which is according to the balance sheet of the assessee and which is duly filed with the income tax department with income tax return, So in that case, until and unless the revenue proves that the assessee has expended that cash somewhere else, it is the duty of the revenue to accept that cash deposit out of the cash balance available with the assessee in the beginning of the year. At the end of this deliberation, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Naveen Bholia versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 115 ITR Tribunal at page number 82. This matter has been decided by Jodhpur ITAT on 7th March 2024. Thank you, friends.